picture na mir.
Mag-sanda.
Mag-zipline mi and then
Skybike.
Skybike.
Sakto ba?
Discount.
Zipline, 80.
Kubuo ang helmet ayira. Yeah, dayon always hold the handlebars firmly with your two hands. Ay pagpusa-usa ka nang siyang master na sa drive. Yeah,
Sa tindi, di na yun.
while you are in motion, uy, ayaw, bawal ka mag-barog-barog dahil.
Counter the lady, so kung right, mari ka sa...
Ha?
Ang saan tita?
Bakit ba?
And wala ra mo kagi og operasyon or surgery 6 months ago.
Wala na.
Pabunin og cellphone or any gadget samtang nag-drive.
video.
Pwede siya ka video.
Yes, sir. No overspeeding. So online at ako last na. Pwede ra mo magati-copy.
Wow. Uy. Duko-duko man si Berry. Kaway-kaway dyan.
Boy, Tway named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope till the money he was getting.
So this is my new car. It's a Ferrari. It's called Safari. Safari.
Sige mo right inside sa car.
So we are on our way to... Asa gito? Capybara. May capybara, guys.
Uy, bye-bye, Berry.
Capybara. Uy, ato yung ipos. Ato yung ipos.
Uy, buwang! Uy, bahala ka diya. I'm going out. I'm going out.
Kaya na siya kambiana. Bernera. Segunda sa kaunang oras. Wala man.
Pero wala ka na naog siyang. Ako siya kaluha. Kaduhan ko ng pariskip.
Kamu niya ang si Shasha o si Krisha. Si Shasha, sige, sagit niya nga siyang break, siyang break.
Masukoy naman.
Filipino. Ikaw, tita. What can you say?
Little bit scary.
Ikaw, tito.
Ha? Unsa man?
May challenge. Walang challenge. I'm not fine.
Oh my god, it's there, it's there. It's there, it's the paisa and Nan ko mag-lution belly pero mag-shirt. I got beefsteak. I got lechon belly. Also here. I mean most of them though. Smart, right?
Yeah.
Your bag is the cutest, Sayan. Look. Ah. Careful, Sayan. Careful. Let's go to the resort. Hinay.
Oh my gosh!
Why do you say it like that?
Oh my gosh, because you said oh my gosh and you're
Crazy, you're so crazy. Should we ask if para sa mo close ang pool? Excuse me, kuya. When mo close ang pool? Mga what time? What time mo close ang pool? Until 10 p.m. Sige, sige. Thank you. Yes, sakto na dyan.
8:30, mahuman ang night safari.
Layan na.
I'm gonna choose my room now.
Tugnawa mo. Okay, room tour. House tour di ay.
Wait, anak mo? Anak na sila.
Wow, this one's big. It's a nice one. Yeah.
Uy, hindi mo signal lagi. Yer, asa yer, may masak ako.
Hello, dear. Okay. Area mo bed ni Berry. No view. Where are we?
Say bro, safari.
No. We have to make up something. Say we are at Canada. Say where are we?
Canada.
Which part of Canada?
But we're not actually in.
Sayan, what are we doing today?
We are going to night safari.
You're holding the grab bars because the rope is kind of bumpy inside. Do not extend your fingers outside the drum, and also no use of flash photographers today, and they're much more active at night. Their diet is that we fed them with dressed chicken and beef, 5 to 8 for night safari. They roar. It's very loud. It can be heard remarkably at 8 kilometers away.
Don't touch anything, huh?
Wait, I need a picture.
Hala, pares dun ko daw kaunta sa mo. Ay, wala go that. So yung, huy na.
Gazebo.
You know what the gazebo is? Honestly, I forgot what the gazebo is.
I know.
Hmm?
And then come here now. Look, that looks so pretty. Take a picture. Don't take a picture.
Oh yeah, we won't.
It has boobs. Look at it.
Sila tamang, sir?
Ako bad.
Ikaw, Pad?
But it looks nice.
Wata nagdag tubig, no? Naggatong tutun.
Patay. Basta ay.
Ikaw, Rosa? Okay, we just came home from liguing the pool and then ano ko so gayo. And look at the lovebirds. What's that? It's so kusog the uwan. Grabe.
Upo na ko yan. Kinatay mo yung show.
Kayon sa?
Pwede upo na ko. Tabang ko. Nag-ana ni camera.
Ang siyang sayin nga. Waited sa iya. Kung mga birthday, may picture yan dala.
Ang team ko na.
Pero pa naman nagliguan na yung mga nagliguan so badly. Kanan naming breakfast and then mag-tour nami sa mga igsoon ni Mary. Monkeys. Where's Shasha?
Hi, Robert! Good morning! This is our second day.
Last day.
Oh, it's the last day.
Can we extend?
That doesn't work.
Sa una lang tindahan.
Uy! Bull! Hi, my God! Oh, give me nga ba na?
What the heck?
Wala nga may kissing. Eh? Ha?
Ito sa guwapo ni Sam. Musiya pa. Ano na? Sus, isugdan na.
Kami dito. Si Kalaki, give me nga dyan ni Krisha.
Also here our Impala. So medium size one, the love that is brown in color with slim legs. This one in color with dark stripe. Running down on its side and stands 60 to 70 centimeters.
Kissy, say hi!
I love big cats.
Tunyo?
What's he looking at? What about the other one?
It's so creepy.
Oh, wala na ni-open siyang mouth.
Sila tanan nag-open ay magbuot.
Dali, uy. Go, go, go.
Yeah, so big. Who from here, uy? I don't like it.
Mr. Potato Tree.
Go na mo ka.
Oh,
Go, go.
how cobra.
Say hi to my...
Aray, sakita sa kulawas. Ouch!
So these lions are all males and siblings, and they are 8 years old. So for their lives,
lie there. Don't.
Look! Magkatol-katol na ka.
Slimlan.
So here's your genuine Coco named Jumbo. Nobody can relate to the crowd. Hi. Good liars.
Hello.
Hello. Ala, gwapa ko ari.
Video na tilupi.
Video.
Kandidat na. Sa Miss Cebu Safari 2020.
Wild eh. Enjoy yun, pero kapoy, no?
Ay nagot ka strong, baby, napakos lahon. I won't take too long.
Oh, naman, no?